Hey everyone, Kyle here. If you're thinking about switching bank accounts or just curious about the latest offer, stick around. Today we're diving into the best bank accounts and comparing their key features to help you find the right one. Whether you're looking for great travel perks, budgeting tools, or even earning cashbacks, there might be a better bank out there for you. So now let's get started. And now the first bank that we'll be discussing is Starling Bank, my top pick for all-around features and overseas spending. Starling offers no fees on spending or withdrawing cash abroad and has fantastic budgeting features like spare change roundups, saving spaces, and virtual cards. You can even pay directly from a saving space. And now for the downsides, it doesn't offer any rewards, group saving features, or specific monthly budgeting tools. Also, it's as a digital only bank, there are no physical branches. But with a Finder score of 4.7 out of 5, it's perfect for anyone looking for a feature-packed account, especially for travel. And now next up is Monzo, known for its extra features and green banking. Monzo offers tons of tools like saving pots, spending insights, access to loans, and cashback at selected retailers. What really sets Monzo apart is its commitment to sustainability. They have pledged not to invest in fossil fuels and have ambitious net zero targets. Monzo's basic account is free, but you can upgrade to Monzo Plus or Premium for extra perks. And now for the drawbacks, there is a limit on free cash withdrawals. £400 every 30 days in the UK and £200 elsewhere. After which you'll face a 3% fee, and as with Starling, there are no physical branches, but with the Finder score of 4.6 out of 5, it's ideal if you want extra features and care about eco-friendly banking. And now next up, number 3 is Lloyds Bank. For those who still like having a local branch to visit, Lloyds Bank is the highest rated traditional bank with a 4.4 out of 5 score. Lloyds offer great payment features like international payments and cash deposits. You can also earn up to 15% cash back on selected retailers. If you're someone who likes to handle your banking in person, then Lloyd's strong branch presence is a big plus. However, Lloyds doesn't offer interest on your current account balance, and its account features are limited compared to digital banks like Monzo and Starling. But if you're looking for a traditional high street bank with reliable features, Lloyds is still a great option. And now number 4 is Nationwide. For the savers out there, Nationwide takes the crown for linked savings account. With a Flex regular saver, you can enjoy one of the highest interest rates in the market. However, there are some conditions, like only being able to deposit up to £200 per month, and if you make more than 3 withdrawals within 12 months, your interest rate could drop. Nationwide's current account has no fees, but the withdrawal limits and those specific saving rules might be a downside if you need regular access to your funds. Overall, it's a great choice if you're disciplined with your savings and can benefit from their high interest rate. And now, number 5 on the list is Chase. If earning cashback is more of your thing, then Chase could be the one for you. Chase offers 1% cashback on eligible spending for your first 12 months, which can add up to £15 per month. Perfect if you are looking for a bit of extra money back. You'll also get spare change roundups and access to a variety of saving rates. However, Chase doesn't allow cash or check deposits, and there is no overdraft option yet. Plus, there are no physical branches in the UK, which may be a downside for some users. Despite these limitations, Chase is still a solid choice if you want to earn cash back and enjoy interest on your savings without an account fee. So those are the top bank accounts that I have for you. Whether you're after all-around features like Starling, extra perks and eco-friendly banking with Monzo, or traditional services like Lloyds, there is something for everyone. If cashback and saving rates are more of your style, Chase and Nationwide offers solid options. Remember, banking is personal, so take a moment to consider what matters most to you, whether it's cashbacks, fees, or branch access. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.